Lake Hillier, Australia is a breathtaking natural wonder, famous for its vivid pink water that remains bright all year round. Located on Middle Island near Esperance, it's perfectly framed by white salt, green forest, and the blue ocean. Its pink color comes from salt-loving algae and bacteria thriving in the salty water. Visitors can see Lake Hillier, but access is limited and it's mainly viewed via scenic flights or guided tours. Best time to visit: October to March, especially around midday for the best color.